Another effect you might want to use in your remix project is to make a split screen where you have two images sharing the same screen. Let's look how we can do this in Premiere Pro. So here we have two video layers in Premiere Pro. I have my Star Wars scene right here, and underneath it I have this still image of a forest. So you're going to have two layers of video, one on top, one on the bottom. Then I'm going to go into the Effect tab to find my crop effect. So I go up here to Effects, and over here on this side of the screen I go into my video effects, or what you can do, you can actually type in the name crop, and here it is here. Then I take this crop and I drop it on my top track. Then over on the left side of the screen you'll find your effects controls. Right here down at the bottom you will find the crop control. To do a very simple split screen where it's at 50%, just choose either the left or the right control and type in 50. And there you go. That's a very simple split screen. Once again, you use two layers of video, you add a crop effect to this top layer, and then change the right side to 50%. You can also use keyframes to move this crop effect. Let's look how you can do that really quite easily. I'm going to go back to this same scene. I'm going to change that right side to back to 0. And what I want to do is halfway through the shot right here, I want it to be a split screen. So I go to the beginning of my shot and I'm going to change the parameters, the animation parameters of the right side of the crop. So I click on this little time button to activate my keyframes. So I have one keyframe here, it's at 0%. I move my playhead to the middle position and I add another keyframe right here. Then I type in the 50%. And now if I play back my animation, this is what I get. So here I have, as it starts playing, the crop comes in and it stays there. So let's look at some examples of using the crop effect to create a split screen.
You are beaten. You are beaten. You are beaten. It is useless to resist. Don't let yourself be destroyed as Obi-Wan did.